So, I will tell you about the project which you are now participants in. We are CESI, and we are part of the lifelong learning program between CBL, Center for Børn og Læring, and Delegación Territorial de Educación, Cultura y Deportes de Cádiz.
Well done.
I took Spanish for 2 years. We are about to have a project called CESI. It stands for Culture of Entrepreneurship, Creativity and Innovation. Some of the challenges we face we have in common. It's about unemployment. What can we do to get people to have jobs? We want to have jobs to offer them, and we want the pupils to be able to get the jobs. They need to have some skills, and this entrepreneurship program could be part of the solution. This is what we will do. This project is about to provide teachers, with the relevant skills and attitudes and methods and tools to implant a spirit of enterprise and creativity in the schools and in the local communities. We have in Herning some of the tools and some of the skills, like the creative platform, like the key model and the Lego, that many of our schools has already been trained to use and has experience in using. So through some training courses and some job shadowing and some workshops, you will be the next experts in this in your own schools.